In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a table in Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is on sample Apple numbers document, and here a couple of sheets are there. Right now I'm in this sheet and there are a couple of tables in this sheet and a couple of charts are there. So our goal was to lock a table, right? So here I am going to show you how to lock this table. To lock any table, at first we need to click anywhere of this table. It doesn't matter whether you select the entire table or any cell or any column or any row, it doesn't matter. You just need to select anywhere inside this table, and then you have to click this arrange button or arrange menu. It will expand it, and from here you will find lock option is there. We just need to click here, and after pressing this option, that means arrange lock, it will be locked. Now the table will be locked and we cannot modify or update or delete. We cannot do anything, but rest of the document we can do whatever we want. See here, everything is locked, and that's it. In this way we can easily lock a table in Apple numbers. Oh, one more thing, if you want to unlock this thing, you have to go the same way. We just need to select the table and then arrange, and then we have to press this unlock button to unlock the table so that we can start editing or modify this table.